Hey yo, I be about the star of the dancehall. I'm here to big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The girl them say you working them vibes, you know work out them vibes. I be about to represent for Jamaica the versus game. The girl them review fame. Hey yo, kick it hot. Run the hot song. Bad.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we are with Bravee. Yeah, man, with Drawz. Something for the girl them. Something for the ladies, man. You know, so once you go ladies, you cannot go wrong. So big up yourself, my G. Bravee, big up yourself. Also, big up the whole team. Big up the whole team. I'm going to start by bigging up Bravee himself. Big up yourself, my G. 𝐑𝐂𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿, big up yourself. KC Record, big up yourself. Review Boss, big up yourself. Heartt Record, special big up to you, my G, because you don't know, say, your production this. So big up yourself and continue putting in the work. You understand? So yeah. Big up the whole team. I could jump in that one and hear where Bravee has said to the ladies. Yeah, and big up the whole of Waterhouse, hear me, you know? Let's go. Ready? Ladies! Your turn, why? Hi!
At first she go drop the blouse, then she go drop the skirt. But when she go drop the drawers and get me dick up so hard, looking at her body.
Naked! She's getting naked! Hey! She get naked! Drop the blouse, then drop the drawers! Big up the seductive ladies, them. Hi, go! Hi!
At first she go drop the blouse,
Yeah.
then she go drop the skirt. But when she go drop the drawers and get me dick up so hard, looking at her body, it turn me on. Ready for go bloody farm. Chin ya bop me girl. Let me show you me can perform. Girl come on me yard for the sex right. See a man at home him not flex right. She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight.
Oh, God! The boy they home. Nah, flex right. Every minute thing gone link him friend and go par with man in a white Benz. When a girl they road, when a girl they home run the proper service. Yeah, boy, you know what you do, you. Bravee! Ladies! Here's your card. You know we go. I go again. Hey.
At first she go drop the blouse.
Yeah. Then she go drop the skirt.
But when she go drop the
Drawz
and get me dick up so hard, looking at her body, it turn me on. Ready for go bloody farm. Chin ya bop me girl. Let me show you me can perform. Girl come on me yard for the sex right. See a man at home him not flex right. She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight. Pick up her vibes. In it all night, girl a bubble a tell me how me dick is that tap. She feel it up in her side. When me stuff in every joint, shoulda see the emotion print out in her eye. At first she go drop the.
Love me. Yo, me don't know how some man go the other way, brother. Me don't know how some man go back for the other team, bro. When the girl them out just look so sexy, bro. What go on, me J? Hi.
At first she go drop the blouse.
Yeah.
Then she go drop the skirt. But when she go drop the drawers,
Murder.
me dick up so hard, looking at her body, it turn me on.
Nature rise.
Ready for go bloody farm.
You know what time it is. Ladies.
Let me show you me can perform.
Watch your back,
Girl, come on me yard for the sex right. See a man at home him not flex right. She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight.
Yeah.
Pick up her vibes. In it all night, girl a bubble a tell me how me dick is that tap. She feel it up in her side. When me stuff in every joint, shoulda see the emotion print out in her eye.
Wait.
First she go drop the blouse, then she go drop the skirt. But when she go drop the drawers and get me dick up
So hard, yeah.
looking at her body, it turn me on. Ready for go bloody farm.
Love me. A link to the one I go pin in the comment section. Go check it out. It's bad. What?
No, the girlfriend them want try me. You home me can sex and want buy me.
Hold on. No, the girlfriend them want try me. The friend of my girls want to try me. Them here all our friend are boss, which is my gal, her boss. Them here. So them want sample action. Nothing wrong with sample action, mama. Sample action.
Watch your back. Let me show you me can perform. No, the girlfriend them want try me. You home me can sex and want buy me. Expensive whatever them want carry me. But the way this girl waist will a wine rate. She pass it tic-tac exam when she a grind me. It's like she use that one fuck and just tie me. Me no want to come off so her friend them could define me. Me da sing cocky stuff, cocky not die way.
Swing cocky and the girl belly make girl say whoa.
You home me can sex and want buy me.
Right.
Expensive whatever them want carry me. But the way this girl waist will a wine rate. She pass it tic-tac exam when she a grind me. It's like she use that one fuck and just tie me. Me no want to come off so her friend them could define me. Me da sing cocky stuff, cocky not die.
What one?
At first she got drop the blouse.
Then she got drop the skirt.
But when she got drop the drawers and get me dick up so hard, looking at her body it turn me on. Ready for the bloody form. Arching your back, me girl.
Yo, this man.
Girl come on me yard for the sex right. See a man at home him not
Flex right.
She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight. Flick up her vibes. In it whole night, girl a bubble a tell me how me the kiss her tap. She feel it up in her side. When me stuff in every joint, should I see the emotion print out in her eyes.
Yo, she a feel everything what she a get. You hear the boss say you should have see the emotion a print out in her eyes. Yo, this sound good, bro. This sound good. This deserve a run, dog. This deserve a blood clot run. If it deserve a run, say deserve a run. Deserve a run, bro. Again. Again. Bumbo clot. Bravee. Mother mean for the girls them. Drop it drugs. If you are rain on that is. Hoigo.
At first she go drop the blouse.
Then she got drop the skirt. But when she drop the drawers
and get me dick up so hard,
looking at her
body it turn me on.
Yeah.
Ready for the bloody farm. Arching your back, me girl. Let me show you me can perform.
Sure.
Girl come on me yard for the sex right. See a man at home him
not flex right.
She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight. Pick up her vibes. In it whole night, girl a bubble a tell me how me the kiss her tap. She feel it up in her side. When me stuff in every joint, should I see the emotion print out in her eyes. At first she got drop the
yo, the bass a thump in her hands.
Then she got drop the
bass a thump in her hands.
But when she got drop the drawers and get me dick up so hard,
looking at her
body it turn me on.
Yeah.
Ready for the bloody farm.
Yeah.
Arching your back, me girl. Let me show you me can perform.
Hoigo.
No, the girlfriend them want try me. You home me can sex and want buy me. Expensive whatever them want carry me. But the way this girl waist will a wine rate. She pass it tic-tac exam when she a grind me. It's like she use that one fuck and just tie me. Me no want to come off so her friend them could define me. Me da sing cocky stuff, cocky not die.
Ladies. At first she got drop the blouse. Then she got drop the skirt. But when she got drop the drawers
and get me dick up so
hard,
looking at her body it turn me on. Ready for the bloody farm. Arching your back, me girl. Let me show you me can perform. Girl come on me yard for the sex drive. See a man at home him not flex right. She want when she done she can't step right. And I tell her friend them I'ma fuck up her tight. Pick up her vibes. In it whole night, girl a bubble a tell me how me the kiss her tap. She feel it up in her side. When me stuff in every joint, should I see the emotion print out in her eyes. At first she got drop the blouse. Then she got drop the skirt. But when she got drop the drawers and get me dick up so hard, looking at her body it turn me on. Ready for the bloody farm. Arching your back, me girl. Let me show you me can perform.
Bumbo clot. Something for the ladies them, dog. This song good. Bravee, this bad. Bravee, this bad. Something for the ladies them. Where them can actually dance to and enjoy themselves too. So once again, Heinz Record, big up yourself, my G. Your production, big up yourself, my fam. You see me? Yes, big up yourself. Bravee, big up yourself, my G. Bad. Tycoon, up top. KC Record, up top. Review Boss, you know what thing, man, cross. Yo, this bad door, bro. Drop Drawz. The one I got pin in the comment section. As I go in the comment section, first thing you go see a pin, go over and go tell them, say, yo, JAMAICA'S game us, you know, over there. So run up numbers them on it, man. Make the G get some, make the G get some revenue and get some new fans too. You know what I mean? Yes, each one help on him, man. Yes. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey yo, I be about the star of the dancehall. I'm here to big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. The girl them say you work in them vibes, you know, work out them vibes. I be about to represent for Jamaica, the versus game. The girl them review fame. Hey yo, kick it hot. Run the hot song. Bad.